So we are back at part-time project after it took a short break, and we are back on site to continue from where we left off. So this is the first floor, and I would like to take us through what we are doing. But first of all, this is the space that we have here. This is the balcony at the top, and there is a 10 feet 6 hanging cantilever from this side to where the column is. It's 10 feet 6 cantilever, and this is the space for the balcony. And this is a 4 drain, so we will cut this one, and this is for rainwater pipe. It's a window here to the living space here. Then this area is the master bedroom, and there's a window view here, so you can view the Abri and Ayimensa mountain from here. Look at it. Yes. And this is the master bedroom, 15 by 28 feet. So the master bedroom is quite spacious. It's very spacious, and there's a walk-in closet here. This one too is 15 by 9 feet closet. Then the bathroom is 8 by 15 feet. And what we plan doing here is conceal WC. So the 4 inches pipes are in the wall. So we are progressing steadily. Then let's move to the other bedrooms. We have 3 bedrooms at the top, and the other 2 bedrooms here, these are their washroom. This is the toilet, and this is the bath. So you can see, as I said, this is a concealed WC, so the pipes are in the wall. Then this is one of the bedrooms at the top. There was a downpour some minutes ago, so you can see the rainwater everywhere. So this is also 15 by 18 feet bedroom. Then there's a small balcony for the 2 bedrooms at the top, and they are at the back of the building. And this is the other bedroom here. This one is also 18 by 15 feet. So the 3 bedrooms too are here. They are fixing the columns, reinforcement, and the masons too are on their work. So we are progressing. The plan here is to do it up to the 2nd floor, then maybe we take another break and go for the Christmas break and come and continue. So we are on it. It's just that there's a downpour here, so it slows us for a while, but we are continuing after the rain. So this is it, the down. I think, okay, let's go to the down. I'm descending the staircase to the down. So these are our blocks for the work. And when you come to the down, we have the kitchen at the back here. This is the kitchen, and that's the kitchen store inside there. We are here to remove the bamboos here, so bear with me. And this is the room this is the nanny's bedroom, and that's the washroom back there. this is just a brief rundown. Then I'll come back and do a proper thing. So this is the other bedroom down here. This is a guest bedroom. And that's the toilet and bath for the bedroom. And this is a kind of small wardrobe for the guest bedroom. Then we have visitors washroom just under the staircase. So it's a visitors washroom. Then we have our living and a dining space. We are yet to remove the bamboo, so I think so this is it. So this is the main entrance. There's a porch here to the living area, and this is the cantilever that I was saying, 10 feet 6 hanging cantilever. So we are progressing.
So that was Pele for you with the update, and once again, welcome back to the Pantam project. I mean, it's been 7 months since our last update on this particular project, where we did the concrete casting. That was around somewhere in May. And I mean, this is what we always preach about. It's all about step-by-step process of building. You know, you can have an interval of every 6 months, you do something. So you save money for 6 months, and then you do something with it. You save again 6 months, then you do something major, right? If you keep going like that, 6 months, 6 months, 7 months, 7 months, it can also be a year, right? You save your money for a whole year, and then you just put it into the project once, and then I mean, you see, significant how do I say it, improvement, right? So maybe it could be just foundation for just 1 year. The following year or the next 6 months, you do something major, right? So that you can see the progress. So you also don't stress yourself too much. You don't put pressure on yourself, right? So here you can see our steel benders here, working hand in hand with the masons. You know how we do it here at Grow Production Group. It's all about the coordination. It's all about the teamwork, right? Having, multiple artisans on site so that, they can work together as a team, right? If there is any misunderstanding, they don't have to give you a call and, arguing and all that. They communicate, and then they can present the issue to you in a team so that they can also bring their option for you to, contact your, architect just in case there have to be any changes, right? So that's this is it for Gigo Production Group. If this is your first time seeing the Pantam project, if you go to my playlist, you will see the episode how we started with this project, all the way from foundation, laying the block works, doing the concrete casting, and here we are, right? It is step by step. It is moving slowly, but if you look at the time difference, right, when we started with the foundation and where we are now, it is a massive, improvement, right? It is a massive change, but it took time, right? I remember the foundation, we started 1 year, almost like 1 year ago. It was around November 2024. That is when we started with the foundation, right? In November, and here we are in December 2025, and we are at this level, right? So maybe next year, the whole structure is done, right? Then plastering goes on. It's all step by step, right? Just take your time to do it. It is possible. Any design you want to go, any house you want, it is possible, but it's just taking your time to do it, right? It's all about patience, right? Don't look at the prices on the market. If you look at the prices on the market, you will rush to buy things cheaper, but then you put yourself into, stress, right? You put yourself, you won't be happy. I am also building, so I know how it is, always sending money back home and, not having the time to also enjoy life. We all need a house, right? But if you have a place to sleep at the moment, if you have a place to put your head, That is more important now. Take your time to build your house the right way. Don't rush the process, and then it will end up, doing correction, breaking down walls and all of that. That's all cost of money, right? That makes construction expensive. If you have to break this wall and do it differently, that's money, right? One block is almost like 7 Ghana cedis, or 10 or 11 Ghana cedis. If you have to break 10 of them, just imagine, it is money, right? So we will keep you updated with the progress, right? So watch out. And if you want to see more with the progress, if you go to my playlist, like I said, it's called the Pantan Project. You can follow, and it is a motivation for you to also start doing something next year, right? So then I think this brings us to the end of today's episode. I really do appreciate your time spent here on the channel. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in my next episode. Look, do we?